Previously on AWF Ambush.
Now Zero got him, thinking 0 hour, he's got him up. No! Manic DDT! Oh my god! Manic with the cover! 1, 2, 3! Oh!
I'm the best AWF champion of all time, and nobody!
By God, there's a car by Josh Manic, oh my god! They just tried to run over Josh Manic, and here comes our cameraman. Stay away! Stay away! The Blizzard Bruiser!
Willie here, back with another episode of AWF Ambush. And I'll tell you folks, I'm staying so far away from that road over there, you will never see me near that road again. Because what happened to our champion Josh Manic last week, it was heinous, it was unannounced, and I really have no words for it. Now, our cameraman, thank you so much, cameraman, did get a glimpse at the driver of the vehicle, and I hear rumblings backstage that it could be the Blizzard Bruiser returning from Africa because the man had a black mask on, the same as the Blizzard Bruisers. Now, we had another scheduled match this week. MK Wing was scheduled to challenge RCG in the #1 contenders match for the Ambush TV title. But folks, we might have to scrap it again. I'm going backstage to talk to Josh Manic. I don't even know if he's medically cleared to compete. And we're just going to have to stay tuned, folks. That's all I can say. Willie, I told you I can compete. It doesn't matter if I'm cleared. I got to get my hands on the Blizzard Bruiser right now. Nah, Willie, no, it's no discussion. It's no debate at all. Hold on, Willie, I'll call you back. Zero. What? Listen, man. Now, I know both of us were receiving medical attention after that match. I know you're not to blame for this.
Nah, look, at the end of the day, this is just wrestling, bro.
Yeah.
Trying to murder somebody, kill somebody, that's too much, bro. That's too much.
Listen, this shot for the title, it's going to come again down the road for you. Cold day in hell coming up. We'll see what happens. I might not be clear to compete, but I just want to shake your hand, man. I got some respect for you.
Respect.
All right.
The Blizzard Bruiser!
I come from Alaska, and that idiot Willie said I was from Africa. So if you wonder why I did what I did to Josh Manic, go watch the early tapes of the AWF. I stole that championship belt from Mr. J, the Steel Will. I jumped off ladders in a tag team match to get the gold. And what does the Blizzard Bruiser get? Sent back to Alaska. So don't question why the Blizzard Bruiser did what he did to Josh Manic. Just know, I am back to kill! Blizzard Bruiser, you stoop so low, my friend, but guess what? The only way to win this AWF World Championship is to do it in the ring, and by God, you can never stand next to Josh Manic in the ring. Now, I got Willie blowing up my phone. I've seen 3 doctors today, 1 concussion, 4 stitches. I don't care. I'm coming after the Blizzard Bruiser, and I'm doing it right now. Blizzard Bruiser, get your ass out. Willie, I'm in the ring. No, I'm doing this right now. I gotta beat the Blizzard Bruiser, man. Send security, send anybody. Willie, shut the fuck up, man. Come on.
What the hell is going on? I see Willie running out of here, getting on the phone. What? You cannot park there. Whose car is this? This is Billy, and everything's breaking down. I'm back on commentary for the time being, and I just seen this car pulling up like it's a damn Transformer movie. Is it gonna transform? It's gonna... Wait, hold on. Panning over here. Somebody's getting out the car. What? Is that the Blizzard Bruiser? He's back, ladies and gentlemen. He's back. He's coming to finish a job. He's coming to finish a job. He's walking them down. He's walking them down like a madman.
Nobody can stop Josh Manic.
Oh, no, what? He's picking up the title. He's got bad intentions, ladies and gentlemen. He's got bad intentions. Josh Manic has no idea. Turn around. Turn around.
Bruiser.
What? Oh! Shot to the head. Shot to the head. Blizzard Bruiser's going crazy. Blizzard Bruiser's going crazy. What's he going here? Is this not enough? Is this not enough? What's he looking for here? Josh Manic stumbling to his feet. What the? Rolling low. The Blizzard Bruiser has been studying Dunny low. What? What? No champion. No champion. What is going on? By golly gee, everything's breaking loose. All hell is breaking loose. He's reaching for. He's unmasking. It's zero. It's zero. It's zero. By God, it's zero. The treachery, the betrayal, and then he's just gonna walk off into the sun.
Boy, does it feel good to be champion again, man. Look, it's been a long time coming. But I feel like I need to give some respect and some apologies. So I would like to formally apologize to Mr. Bruiser over here. I have been impersonating him. I got what I wanted out of it, but I've been totally disrespectful to him. So as an apology, I'm gonna give him the first shot. You know, at my new ring, he can get the first shot. He might be able to take it from me. We'll see. That cool? Of course it's cool.
And Willie here, as it seems like we have an impromptu match between the Blizzard Bruiser and Zero for the AWF World Championship. And Blizzard Bruiser going quick for that Blizzard kick. Zero misses a clothesline. And look at the Blizzard Bruiser getting on Zero quick. And we haven't seen this man in a long time. We don't know what he's up to, but he's grabbing a damn chair. What the hell? Oh my God. Blizzard Bruiser just cracked Zero in the head. That's a DQ finish. But it seems like he doesn't care. He is intent on revenge, and the Blizzard Bruiser going top rope for, I think, the first time ever in the AWF. Oh my God! It's Josh Manic! Swanton bomb on Zero! Josh Manic gets one up on Zero, and look at him grabbing that.
Fuck the Blizzard Bruiser! Fuck Zero! It's Josh Manic time!
Woo! And Zero just laid in a heap.